Welcome back, guys. And today I'm going to tell you something about pictures, videos, and gallery of Samsung mobile. There are one option, Gallery Lab. What is that option, and how that option will be enabled, and what is the advantages of that option, I will tell you in this video. So welcome back, guys. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just going to the gallery. Here we can see the photos. We can go by the this also albums also. So here three horizontal lines are coming in the right bottom corner, and upper three dots are coming. So when we press the three horizontal line, this will become. So you have to enable the recycle bin if your phone is new. So first time when you will press the recycle bin, it will ask that should recycle bin will be enabled, then you should enable it. So not going that, just press the setting, and here when you scroll down, you see the gallery labs is coming here because I have enabled, but now I am getting it off. Now see, the gallery lab is not coming. So how the gallery lab will come? How to enable the gallery lab, I will tell you first. Just go to the about gallery, and here after it is saying that latest version of is already installed, version 13.1.03.8. So what you need to do, just tap on the version 6-8 times. Now gallery will be enabled. Will be enabled. Now one again. You have to actually when I am tapping that I am not tapping on the right place, so I have to tap more times, roughly 15-16 times. If you tap, that will be enabled, and it will be written in the bottom that it has enabled. Now you will see that gallery lab is coming just below the about gallery. So just go to the gallery lab. Here for One UI 4.x, One UI 3.x, this is Samsung A31 mobile. So these options are coming. Here you can see what you can do. Dynamic spacing between the photo. The space between the photo changes according to if we push it off, then that will not change according to the picture list. Then day clustering merging in the picture. Now one UI 2.x, the show thrash storage info means let us show you when this is off, and go back, and suppose you are deleting one I am deleting this, then it is move this picture to recycle bin. It is not telling the size of this what size of data it will be post in recycle, move to recycle bin. So I have deleted it. Not now. We are going back and just going to gallery labs and tap that show trash storage info on. Then what will happen now? Just go back and now delete any photo. Suppose I am deleting this. Delete. Now it will tell recycle bin 1.52 MB, means now it will tell how much data it is moving to recycle bin. Just move that. So this information you can enable from gallery lab. Now going to the gallery lab, just go One UI to timeline in album. In album you want timeline, then that is video viewer, play next video automatically. Next video starts automatically right after video playback ends with the. So pin zoom, these are options you can explore. So except in detail means the information which are attached with the photos or videos. In the developer option, here fixed date and time, this option is also good. Suppose I have ticked that, and here you can see that these photos have invalid time, these There are no pictures or video which have wrong width and zero size, no date and time, no video, and no location. These photos have no locations. So this we can find out from fixed date and time. So this was the something I have wanted to tell you about Gallery Labs. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel, and I will be back with some new information. Thank you very much, guys.